Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and we're back here at Amin Drive. And remember, we told you that the Water Commission had repaired this section on the 20th, and by the 25th, it was leaking again. We can report that they came on the 25th, and they actually repaired the section. So no more leak, as you can see. Water Commission came in the night and repaired the area, and we are so happy to report that no more leaking here along Amin Drive. And also the water that was a flow from this section across next to the gym down to Amin Drive is flowing no more. But there are still two holes you can see in Hagley Park Road. The same area that was paved on November 20. And there's a car there by the no parking sign. It was parked there for about 20 minutes, and the compaction work is now taking place at White Wing, as you can see. This area we're going to lay the roadway and also install the drains inside White Wing. More details on this later on. I'm Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Please like, share and subscribe, and again thanks in advance, and again pleasant viewing.